an ebook about the top technologies shaping the future of pharma.
This is Bertalan Mescu, and you're watching the channel of the Medical Futurist.
The pharma industry has been developing treatments and cures for centuries. Traditionally, the design and manufacturing process of drugs required several years, lengthy clinical trials, huge costs, and patients were excluded from the process. With the rise of 21st century technologies, this has been changing. And in the future, we will see completely different drug design, manufacturing, clinical trials, and pharmacies. To understand the latest trends and to prepare for the future, the Medical Futurist team published an ebook on leanpub.com. The book describes what the future will look like if current trends continue. Imagine a future where artificial intelligence is able to design new drugs, find new drug combinations, and deliver in silico clinical trials within minutes. Imagine a future where drugs are not tested on real people and animals, but on virtual models that are engineered to mimic the physiology of organs. Imagine a future where robots help in the manufacturing of medications as well as in their distribution in pharmacies. Imagine how empowered patients would be invited to the advisory boards of the largest pharma companies to have their voices heard. Imagine a future where counterfeiting drugs become almost impossible. Blockchain technology helps secure the entire drug distribution chain. Imagine a future where the local pharmacist 3D prints personalized drugs in any shape and in any desired dosage. Because of digital health technologies, pharma will face a lot of new issues and nobody is prepared for them. If you want to read more about the coming changes, you can find my new ebook on leanpub.com. Thank you.